GMC Sierra elevation package, beautiful color right here. The best accessories available, 6-inch black running boards. They match this truck excellent with the fender trim, the wheels, the mirrors. Everyone is gonna love having a step on your truck. Access your vehicle easily. Nice, clean running board. Hop in your new truck, look at that big screen, very comfortable in here. Hop out of it, easy entry. They act as a protection as well, and they just add style to your truck. Look at how nice this bed cover came out. It's the Armor Flex hard folding cover. Security, style, protection, everything your truck needs right here. Giving it the final wipe down before presentation. All these accessories installed here at Truck Access Plus, GMC Sierra Elevation Package.